Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. The Solana chart is still holding support. The micro support area I mentioned in yesterday's updates. Quick reminder here, what are we dealing with? We are dealing with this overall Elliott wave triangle pattern here. The idea is still that we're in a fourth wave. So this is a simple range below or between $119 and $190. Certainly not easy for trading. This is not a clear trend at the moment. This is actually a counter trend move, either as a sideways correction or a larger wave 4 correction, which could go a little bit lower. It's essentially the same overall scenario that this is a wave 4, but the wave 4 could unfold either as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then go up, or we're dealing with a larger A, B, C structure. These are basically the two scenarios I'm watching here. The key pivot between the two is the $119 level. In fact, already a break below $128 will make the larger wave 4 more likely. But it's basically the $119 level that acts as formal invalidation point. So the idea is obviously here that if this is an Elliott wave triangle, we're dealing with a D wave rally. A, B, C, D, E. The D wave is a corrective rally. And that's obviously not a great setup. It's not a stable structure, okay? Elliott wave tells us here this is not a stable structure, because we're dealing just with corrective patterns, yeah? So nothing stable about this, can easily break down. There's no impulse involved. It's all messy. So that's just when we look at the microstructure. Overall, as I said, the bigger picture shows us just a range. So that means until I see a break below 128 or even better $119, assumption is we are now in a D wave move to the upside. So let's investigate this possible D wave to the upside. How could it unfold? Well, the D wave is an ABC structure. So we've obviously had a turnaround. We had a couple of setups here that allowed the price to move higher. Those were presented in previous videos. Ideally, an ABC structure unfolds. A wave up. We could be in that A wave now. Then a B wave down and a C wave up. This would be the ideal structure. It is possible that within the initial A wave, we get one more high. However, a break below $141 will make it more likely that the A wave already topped and that we're coming down in wave B. I've already added the lower support region. It's between $128 and $139. From here, a C wave rally will then be expected. At the moment, it's just about, okay, do we get one more high or not? And we could get one, but I have to say that the decline from the Thursday high looks now with today's low a little bit like a micro 5-wave pattern to the downside. So unless this wave 4 unfolded as a WXYXZ structure, which is a very complex correction, it definitely means that we have to be on the side of caution. It is possible that the A wave already topped here. One second, just need to change the color of this. It's possible that the A wave already topped here and we're coming down in an ABC structure already. But even then, a B wave bounce would be somewhat likely from here. Either way, the nature of the next rally will tell us more. If it's a clearly corrective rally, which is an A, B, C structure, it would suggest that this is just a B wave rally and we come down. But if we form another high, reach $154, maybe even $158, then this is more clearly the yellow count, which essentially is the same count. It just means, okay, do we get one more high or not? I think one more high would look better, but I have to tell you that obviously this 5-wave decline isn't great. But then again, you see lots of distortions on smallest time frames, so we use the fibs rather on those. And the support is holding at the moment. The next support level is $142.89 and then $141. But besides that, there isn't much more to add here. Just means that if we break below 141, 128 will be the next main support level for that scenario of a B wave pullback. If we break below 128, there is no reliable support level left in this D-wave rally. It would then, require a reinterpretation of the micro. That's really what it's about. Don't see any, I mean, the major part of this initial A wave is likely done. So we had 5 waves up in wave A, 3 wave pullback, and then already off the C wave, 3 waves. So we might get another 4, 5, but there's no need for that. The main part, the main element of the rally is done. Remember that it's all about capturing the main element of a trend when trading. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.